it boils down to, is it still healthy? So it's not a choice between staying or letting go. For me, it's if it's still healthy, let's say both for work and relationship, you're sleeping normal or sometimes late, but it's still within the healthy range of a normal person. Because sometimes if you love like what you're doing, you have a tendency both for work and for relationship, you have a tendency to give too much,
Oh
but
yeah.
it doesn't become healthy on your end. Like you tend to lose sleep in terms of relationship, you tend to lose time for yourself. But if it's healthy, and I think you're meant to stay if you're gonna have that feeling both for work and relationship, that
Yes,
you have
yes.
like that good feeling of waking up every day and it's still on the healthy line. Yeah. So goodbye, VP. Joe. Kidding.
Oh fuck.
You heard it here
And
first,
this
With
is
that, I
guys.
the
resign.
this
So
is the resignation
yeah.
podcast.